Okay, good day. I'm going to teach you how to create an animated curtain. So we named our console window with animated curtain. So the output of this application is it is just showing a closing curtains, the left and the right curtains with different colors using the random colors. So let's begin. So for x axis or using int, then x is less than 41. Well, 41, I'll explain that later. Then x plus plus. So why is it like x is less than 41? And seems there's a problem here. It's an unsigned, sorry. So let's start from 1. Then within this loop, we'll be creating another loop for the x or the y-axis. So that would be like 9 less than 24. So the y-axis should be 1 to 24. Then y plus plus. And then we will be using the console so that set cursor position that you learned from my previous tutorial. Then x, then assign the y. Then console right. So we'll be using the right function to display the block character. I already prepared here that character. So here, this is the character that will fill up all of the screen. Then we'll be using thread and slip. Set this to 10. And then let's try to use the console background color. And let's try first a single color or a particular color like red. You see it's filling up the screen with red colors. So it's animating. As you can see, it's only filling up the left part of the display. So what we have to do is to create or copy these codes, and then we'll set the cursor by this one 81 minus x to create like a cursor position from the right to the center of the screen. So as you can see, if you run this, it seems like a closing curtain with the color red. So we're going to create a random variable here, random, then new random. Then we will be getting all the colors, bar colors. Then we'll be using the enum that get values. Then type of, we'll using the type of function to get all the colors of the console color enum. So if you have no idea about the colors within the enum um, type, just control then click this one and you'll see all the colors from black, dark blue, dark green, cyan until white. So we have the random, forgot to add open close parenthesis. Then after that, instead of the red color, we'll be assigning a random color. So colors, then get value, we'll be using that. Then within this function, we'll call the random, then next, then colors, colors that um, length. Then what? How come it's still have a problem here, or there is an error? Seems that we need to convert it to system console color. So what you have to do is to cast it, or we use boxing for this. I'm sorry, we use yes, I'm correct. Casting. So to cast an object, you have to use this open close parenthesis and then the type of object that you want to use here. So let us try now. As you can see, it's generating a lot of colors randomly. So it looks like a curtain or a closing curtain with different colors. So that's it. That's pretty simple. If you want to make it open or like closing, do this one, and then instead of want to, oh, I need to copy all of this. I'm wrong here. Let's copy this. Then instead of 1 to 41, we'll be using 41 here, and then mm, while it's greater than um, 0, and then minus minus, x minus minus, that's it. And then y-axis will not be, there will be no changes with y-axis or y variable. And then we'll be using here not a random color, but instead we'll be using here like we'll be using black color to erase it. Then remove this. We don't need these codes anymore. Then for the closing, so we have xy. So from 41 to x. So the other one should be we'll be using x. So 41. Let's see it like so minus 1. So it will be like mhm. So we will be using 81 minus or 41. So let's see first. While I'm thinking the formula for that. So it's like 41 then minus. It's correct. The same. I am correct. Because 81 minus 41 like that. So it would example, 81 minus 40. The same formula. So let us repeat the animation. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And this is only a simple tutorial, and you can create your own animation, curtain animation, like downward or like a rotational animation. And I am leaving you these simple codes to enrich this. And it depends your imagination. And I believe everyone that can come up codes that explore their imaginations. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.